I am teaching English. How can we change this example into passive voice? In this video, we are going to talk about changing present continuous tense into passive voice. At the end of the video, you will be able to change present continuous tense into passive voice. Active and passive voice, present continuous tense. यानी मुझको तासे present continuous tense या हाल जारी ज़माना passive ते तब्दील करो. The present continuous tense उम्मीद structure डेढ़ मुहिम नवाल तास बाप दो ज़ाम पे के is MR plus being plus third form of the verb. Being चीज़ इधर पहाड़ा continuous tense के रोज़ी पहाड़ा क्या आगा present continuous भी present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous भी तब हर ज़माना केस पता कि subject plus is MR plus verb ing plus complement या object. लेकिन अगर I am watching TV तास खो active बंद पिए कि खो बिया हम तास तज़ीज़ रवाएं. She is buying books हाँ किताबुना खली. I am teaching English ज़ा इंग्लिशी तदरीस कौमा. दब बच्चें हम गलत तबीर को passive तलता हम subject पला subject रोज़ी is MR पला is MR रोज़ी دلته د ورب ing نه مخکې being زبر کې being او ورب چې دی ورب ing په اوري third form ته ځکه موږ مخکې ویلو چې په هر زمانہ کې third form of the verb استفاده کیږي بیا به چې راځي by phrase به راځي لکه موږ ویلو چې د active جمله object د passive جمله subject کیږي او د passive جمله subject object کیږي ګورئ هغه د TV object د subject کیږي TV is being watched by me TV is being watched by me she is buying books No, books are being bought by her. Books are being bought by her. Object becomes subject and subject becomes object. Books are being bought by her. I am teaching English. English is being taught by me. English the subject to be aware of the subject مطابق استفاده کی is راغلی being په structure کې third form of the verb taught دی او by me چې دی subject becomes part of by phrase منفي جمله په present continuous کې تاسو sorry I missed not here but you have to add it before here not subject plus is MR plus not plus verb ing plus object or complement we are not eating food Sumaya is not performing the prayer. Sumaya چدل موز نکوي. Ahmad is not driving the car. Ahmad موټر نه چلوي. د جملې موږ څنګه پاسیو ته جملې وګورئ. Subject plus is MR plus not plus being plus third form of the verb plus by phrase. همدغه structure دی. وازل ته موږ not حساب کوو د to be ور نورسته لکه موږ وایو چې we are eating food. We are not eating food. Food is not being eaten by us. Food is not being eaten by us. Sumaya is not performing the prayer. The prayer is not being performed by Sumaya. بلا جمله چې احمد is not driving the car. The car is not being driven by Ahmad. موټر د احمد په واسطه نه چلول شوی. دا منفي جملې دي. سوالیه کې تاسو پیږي په present continuous کې to be ورته جملې سره ته بیا subject راځي verb ing plus object یا complement question mark. Am I writing homework? آیا زه کارخانګي لیکم؟ Are they speaking English? آیا هغه په انګلیسي خبرې کوي؟ Is he doing his homework? آیا هغه خپل کارخانګي لیکي؟ نو دا څنګه کې ګورې په passive کې هم هغه to be ورته جملې سره ته ځي بیا subject راځي یوازې دلته یو شی زه به کې چې being دی plus third form of the verb plus by phrase لکه ګورئ زه وایم چې am I writing my homework is homework being written by me is homework هغه ته چې دی am I دی دلته به چې کې is homework ځکه موږ ویل چې object subject کیږي بل are they speaking English is English being spoken by them بل چې دی موږ ویل چې is he doing his homework is his homework being done by him نو دا د present continuous tense مثبت منفي او سوالیه structure په ام په active کې ام په passive کې دا شو دوستانو زموږ نن درسي ویډیو چې د present continuous tense مبارک وا خدای دې وکړي چې ویډیو د ته مفیده تمام شوی وي کوم چې تر زده کړی وي نو ویډیو لایک کړئ او د کمنټ برخه کې زموږ سره خپل نظریات شریک کړئ ترڅنګ زموږ چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او ویډیوګانې تر نور دوستانو پورې ورسوئ